So I recently made a video on how to create a keyboard shortcut to export out of Photoshop, and somebody asked me a question in the comments: how do I create a keyboard shortcut to export multiple layers at once? And that's a great question, so I made a video on it. So here I have the same photo, but maybe edited a little bit differently using these hue saturation adjustment layers. So if I turn them off, you can see they're all a little different. Let's say I want to export them all out at once. Well, there's one way to do it where you select all of them and then you right click and go to quick export as PNG. And I've got my folder set up where I want to export them to already. So I would select that and they would export out just like that. Perfect. But if I wanted to create a keyboard shortcut to do that, I could go to File, or no, Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts. And then you need to go to Layer. So you'll see this, go to Layer, scroll all the way down to Quick Export as PNG. You may have it as Shift plus Control plus 1. That's kind of the default. But if you want something different, I like Control B because I don't use that for what it's meant for, so it's a good one for me. Okay. And now if I just have what I want to export selected and click Control B, there you are, right into the folder it's meant to go in, and it worked. So that's it. That's how you create that keyboard shortcut. You got to edit that layers section, and it's easy as pie. Thanks, guys. And I just want to add that you can export as many or as few as you'd like by just selecting the ones you want to export. So if I only want to export these two top layers, or maybe actually the bottom and the middle layer, I would just click those, then Control B, hit my shortcut, select folder, and as you can see, when I pull up the folder, it worked. Only 2 have been exported. So super good, lots of control there, and it's a time saver.